This is a practice question from the No Calculator section of the new SAT that begins in March of 2016. I'm going to show you how to answer it. Which of the following is equal to 12x squared plus 5x minus 2? So you could probably multiply each one of these out and see what you get, and whichever one gives you this will be the right answer. But that would take a while, and you want to conserve as much time as you can. So the easiest way to go about it would be to factor this equation. So I don't know if you remember from algebra, end of algebra 1, beginning of algebra 2, how to factor quadratics. So first you're going to take the 12, first coefficient 12, multiply by the constant on the end, negative 2. So 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us negative 24. But those two numbers also need to add to give us positive 5. I'll give you a second to think about it. Those two numbers are positive 8 and negative 3. Because 8 times negative 3 is negative 24, and positive 8 plus negative 3 is positive 5. So what we do with those two numbers is we rewrite this equation, 12x squared, and then we rewrite the 5x as plus 8x minus 3x, and then we have the minus 2. I hope this part makes sense, because plus 8x minus 3x equals 5x. So it's the same thing as this up here. Now we group this new equation. We're going to look at this part and this part separately. So over here we're going to factor this first part. We can take we can factor out a 4x from both of those terms, and that leaves us with 3x plus 2. And then the second part, we can factor out a negative 1, and that leaves us with 3x plus 2. And now since these two in the parentheses are the same, we can rewrite this whole thing as 4x minus 1 times 3x plus 2, which looks a heck of a lot like that one. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about this one, again, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.